Hello, my name is Noman Tariq, and today we are going to learn about how we can record the screen using a software that is Zoom. Previously, we are using OBS Studio as a software to record the screens, like I am currently using it for this video as well. But we are now trying to know that how we can record the screen using the Zoom app. Before that, I would like to tell you about the general setting of Zoom. You can alter the settings, you can set it as per your own need or your own specifications. You can change the general setting, video setting, audio setting, share screen setting, and multiple of them. You can see that here is the path that could be changed as per your own need. If you want to change the place where the recording should be stored after being recorded, so you can change it over here, and it would then store the files at your given path. Starting about how we can record the screen, firstly you have to create a new meeting. As our main purpose is to record the shared screen, so firstly we have to share the screen. For this purpose, you simply have to click on the share screen option. If you would share the screen only, it would share each and everything open on your laptop screen. And if you want to specify and you want some specific window to be shared, then you can simply click on that particular specific window. Here I am going to share the Google Chrome. You can also share whiteboard or iPhone, iPad, or any of the other window that you have opened. You simply have to go to the share option. No, this whole window of Google Chrome has been shared. So after that you have to go to the more option, or you can use the shortcut key, that is Alt R, to start the recording. You can also go to the more option and click on the Alt R to start the recording. No recording has been started. Whatever you would do over this particular window, it would be recorded. Like I am going to search for social media. So these are the pictures basically associated with social media. Similarly, if you want to share any of the things that you are basically trying to search online, or you want to share something that you have searched online on Google Chrome, so you can simply share that particular window of Google Chrome, and you can share the information with your participants or colleagues. This was all about how we can record the meeting or record the shared screen. So you can simply change the share and share from new share as well. So you can simply go to any other window that you want to share. You can pause the share. If you want a break, you can pause the share, and later on you can resume it as well. After that, if you consider that you have nothing to record more, or you want to end the recording, you simply have to go to the more option and click on the stop recording option. You can also use Alt or shortcut key to stop the recording. I'm going to stop recording from this point. After that, you can also stop the share as well from clicking on stop share, or you can use the shortcut key, that is Alt S. So this was all, like how we can record a screen share using the Zoom app. You can now end the meeting and end meeting for all. Here you can see that the Zoom is basically converting the meeting recording into MP4, so it could be easily accessible to the participants, or you can easily share it with others. So this was all about how we can basically how we can record the screen using the Zoom app, and how it works. Thank you so much. Have a good time.